Can you imagine remembering a friend's face or a hidden waterhole for decades? Elephants can. These gentle giants are famous for their astonishing memory. Scientists have observed elephants recognizing herd members after years apart and even recalling distant water sources during droughts. Matriarchs, the oldest females, lead their families using this knowledge, sometimes guiding them to water hundreds of miles away. This remarkable memory helps elephants survive in harsh environments, proving their intelligence rivals that of primates.